And I'm Andy Rock, a founding member of Flowbots and guitar player in the folk band Bop Schism.
So y'all gotta be at my soft launch. It's on Thursday, April 11th at the Four Seasons downtown Denver. It starts at 6 for my new activewear line that's fashion-forward and inspired by dance.
It's pretty awesome, and I will be DJing, spinning some funky jams for everybody to get down to. And the best part is 100% of the proceeds go to flowbots.org, a music education program that helps at-risk youth at Denver Public Schools and treatment centers all across Colorado. We're doing big things that we can really use your support. So there's really no reason not to be there. I mean, how much is it to get in?
It's $10. I mean, that's like 2 drinks at Starbucks. Or NBA dancers, music, drinks, hot chicks.
I mean, there's really no reason not to be there. I mean, what if they want to get baller style?
Bump it up.
VIP $20 ticket.
$20 VIP, you get Uber credit, free valet, and a free drink ticket.
Say what? So there's really no reason for you all not to be there.
Come support us, support flowbots.org, April 11th, 6 o'clock, Four Seasons downtown.
You know who's going to be there? She's going to be there.
He's going to be there.
And they're going to be there. 1, 2, 3.